The supercomputer introduced in the 1960s and developed by Seymour Cray. He developed CDC-1604, and that was the first supercomputer in the world. The supercomputer is a high-level performance computer to the general purpose. This kind of computers is used for scientific and engineering applications to handle extensive databases. The multicore processors and graphics processing unit (GPUs) are used in the supercomputers. Primary motive to design a supercomputer was to be used in large-scale organizations where need more computing power. The supercomputers consist of 10,000s of processors, which can perform billions or trillions of calculations per second. So these types of supercomputers are more expensive. They can $5 lakh to $200 million. The supercomputer has to divide into three categories such as vector processing machines, tightly connected cluster computer, and finally commodity computer. There are some types of supercomputer. Number 1, Titan. Titan supercomputer was designed by the Cray Company in their Oak Ridge National Laboratory. This Titan supercomputer developed for the specific scientific project like as large atomic molecular huge simulator code. Number 2, IBM Sequoia. IBM Sequoia supercomputer was invented by industry. IBM at the National Nuclear Security Administration in 2012. Prime goal of producing this computer, implement those supercomputer in simulation of nuclear weapons. Number 3, K Computer. K Computer was designed by company Fujitsu in the Japan. Main objective of this type of supercomputer is to implement in the diagnose climatic and disaster prevention. Number 4, Tianhe. The Tianhe was assigned the first rank as fastest supercomputer in the year 2010-2011. This supercomputer was developed with estimated cost $490 million. Applications areas of this computer were petroleum exploration and design aircraft. Number 5, Jaguar. The Jaguar supercomputer came in the market before the Titan computer, and made by the Cray Company in their Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee. These computers were developed for manage some complicated problems such as climate modeling, renewable energy, scientific simulations for exploration and fusion among other. Number 6, IBM Roadrunner. This powerful project was chased by IBM in the year 2008. It was developed in the Los Angeles National Laboratory. The usages of these types of supercomputer were done in nuclear arsenal. Number 7, Nebulae. Nebulae supercomputer is places in Shenzhen, China. Nebulae supercomputer was designed by Dawning TC3600 blade system. Number 8, Kraken. Kraken was other updated Cray XT5 system, and placed in computational science. Main objective of developing was done for increasing the efficiency of the biofuel and weather modeling. Number 9, Pleiades. Pleiades supercomputer placed at NASA's Ames Research Center in Mountain View, Calif. In the Pleiades supercomputer embedded the 14080 Intel Xeon quad-core processors. Number 10, JUGENE. Jugene supercomputer was developed by IBM Blue Gene P technology, and in this computer used 72,000 processors. Its application areas are environment research, simulation material science, and other science research labs. Here are some applications areas where to use of supercomputer such as biology areas. Mostly, supercomputer used to diagnose for various diseases like brain injuries and other blood flow issues in your body. Another field is military and defense missions. Supercomputing helped to provide virtual testing for nuclear explosion and weapon ballistics, and then climate patterns. Supercomputer application is able to study and understand climate patterns. Airlines industry, with the help of supercomputer, designed the flight simulators for newbie pilots, and this simulator helped to training for new pilots. Weather forecasting. To gather the information related to weather forecasting, supercomputer run in the NOAA's system, means National Oceanic and